So let us also talk about plant growth hormones. Plant growth hormones. So plant growth hormones, firstly, we have what we call IAA. IAA is indoacetic acid. Indoacetic acid. Auxins are a group of plant hormones, growth hormones, responsible for processes like growth, root formation, and apical dominance. When I say apical dominance, you understand? Apical dominance is when you cut a stem. You get? You see that after some time, at this end is here. If this is the stem, this is our plant. You see that plant, whatever starts to grow from besides, not in the middle. You get? Besides, because concentration of oxygen is the oxygen leave this part and migrate where? To the surrounding of the stem, such that growth is favored where? On this side. You understand? That's why growth does not occur in the middle here. Auxins are a group of plant growth hormones responsible for processes like growth, formation of root, and apical dominance. Auxins produced in plants include indoacetic acid. Auxins are produced in small amounts in seeds, germinating embryos, buds. When I say buds, the one with BUDS, buds, leaves and pieces of roots, shoots, and buds. Effects of auxins on the growth. The first one is promote elongation of young leaves. Another one is high auxin concentration stimulates growth of shoot and inhibits growth of root. They cause tropism. Because tropism, we said, is movement of a part of a plant towards, if it is phototropism, towards one direction of light. If it is geotropism, towards gravity. So it is always, these auxins are the one that favors it, either to move or to bend, continue grow or to bend. Another one is to promote formation and growth of adventitious roots. You know them? Adventitious roots? Yes. Another one, they promote apical dominance. That one is understood now. The growth of these young plants after cutting a stem, from aside is the stem, at the lateral part of the stem. Commercial application of auxins. Auxins are used in initiating rooting in stem cuttings. Some plants you just plant the stem, you apply what we call rooting hormone, and auxin is the one. Rooting hormone, just apply and just fix there the stem to produce some roots and continues to grow. They are used to inhibit leaf fall when the leaf matures. They are used to inhibit leaf fall when the leaf matures. You know, conditions like wind tends to make the leaves of the plant to fall. So these auxins is saying to reduce on such leaves. You know that leaves are essential for photosynthesis to occur. So if few of them are remaining in a plant, then less food will be manufactured. They inhibit fruit fall. That is in fruits. They inhibit growth. They inhibit the development of lateral buds, hence reducing branching in plants. So lateral buds are these buds that leaves or that distributes. You can call it this tributaries. This one is that always mature from the main stem, like this. So they are inhibited by these auxins to reduce on what? Or to inhibit such growth of a plant. And another one is synthetic auxins kill plants by disrupting growth, hence used as selective weed killers. The so-called weed masters, the one used for controlling weeds in gardens. So they are synthetic. They are made artificially. So they follow that order of auxins. So the second one is gibberellins. They are produced by plants in varying amounts in seeds and young plants and the roots. They promote cell elongation. You say that during growth, it may be the root cap or the apex. We have three always stages. We have cell division, cell elongation, and cell differentiation. Cell division is when the cell divides. Cell elongation is the growth of that divided cell, and cell differentiation is making this cell particular to its function. For example, some cells form the phloem, whereas others form the xylem for purposes like phloem for transport of conducting manufactured food from areas of manufacturing storage areas, whereas the xylem is conducting absorbed water and mineral salts from the roots up the shoot of the plant.